does God exist? I'm afraid God does exist, and some people would say, you know, is there a higher power in that? And that is God all of the time. And many a times I'm asked, what does God look like? And I only can describe that when he comes to me and gives a human appearance, he's always very handsome and always young and always taller than I am. But spiritually, you just feel that love. And of course, there's just this light that comes from him. God exists. God is real. And I always say to everyone, don't wait till the last moment of your life to discover that God is real.